Hi friends, welcome back to Educational King of Digital Marketing Trends. Today we are gonna see how to delete or remove themes from our control panel account. So before going to the topic, I would request you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the latest digital marketing updates. So yeah, coming back to topic. So what happens whenever we install 2, 3, 4 or 5 or 6 themes in our account? It occupies some space, which in turns make our website very slow. So it's always better to keep 1 or 2 themes only in our account. So now let us see how to remove extra themes. So in order to remove extra themes, we need to log into our control panel account. Okay, let us now log in. So now you can see that I am in my control panel main window. Now here I have an option of file manager. So in order to delete a theme, I have to go to my file managers because all of the themes and files are loaded under file manager option. Now in the file manager, I have an option of public HTML. I will click public HTML. Now here I need to go to WP content. So I'll go and click WP content. Now here can you see that I have an option of themes. So I'll click on this option. Now you can see that I have 3 themes installed in my system and I need to delete this particular theme, that is 2020, because I don't need this theme. So I'll do delete. And I'll skip the trash and permanently delete all the files of these themes so that my size will be very low. So this is how you delete the themes. Hope you like this video and do not forget to subscribe the channel and like the channel in order to get all the latest digital marketing tips, tricks and update. Okay guys, take care and have a very great time ahead. Keep vlogging.